And I really wish India all the best. I want them to win the rest of the group stages. I want them to win their semi-final, and I really hope to have a Pakistan-India final.
I'll give you one very nice example. केवल ने एक मैच में कोई चेंजेस नहीं किया था, फिर भी उसके 182 पॉइंट्स मिल गए. मैंने 2 मैच में 4-4 ट्रेड बना के I together got 115 points.
They said it looks like West Indies has come on a tourist visa. they're not interested to play.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी. फैंटेसी क्रिकेट और रियल क्रिकेट का अनोखा है ये खेल, where it is all about you, the fans from all across the world. This show is brought to you by crickbattle.com. और अगर आप भी हमारे साथ खेलना चाहते हैं या जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो you can simply log on to sbk.crickbattle.com. This is also available as a podcast on Studio Scoops Official. The T20 World Cup has been off to a cracker of a start. With each progressing match, excitement बढ़ता हुआ नजर आ रहा है. ठीक उसी तरह हमारा फैंटेसी कंपटीशन यानी कि सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी वर्ल्ड कप का वॉर इज आल्सो ऑफ टू अ फ्लाइंग स्टार्ट एज आवर खिलाड़ीज पैक पंचेस अगेंस्ट ईच अदर टू विन एंड अर्न दोस एक्स्ट्रा फैंटेसी पॉइंट्स. वीकली फैंटेसी स्कोर्स पर हम ऑफ कोर्स चर्चा करेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले आइए थोड़ी जुमलेबाजी कर लेते हैं एज वी एंड द खिलाड़ीज huddle up to discuss the latest development of the T20 World Cup. वेस्ट इंडीज के लगातार 2 मैचेस हारने के बाद मुकाबला रंगीन होता हुआ नजर आ रहा है. ग्रुप ए ऐसे भी एक टफ ग्रुप है और ये कहना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है कि कौन टेबल को टॉप करेगा.
This is my episode to say I told you so. That's all I'm going to say today. I told you West Indies will not make it to top 4. But
Babaji.
I read an article somewhere. I don't know who posted. Maybe it was Sportskeeda or one of these guys. They said it looks like West Indies has come on a tourist visa. They're not.
It's like what Siddharth was saying the other day. वो लोग बेसबॉल मेंटालिटी से आए हिट करने के लिए, जीतेंगे तो बैटिंग करके, बॉलिंग से तो कोई उम्मीद नहीं.
Yeah, I mean, if Andre Russell is supposed to be your spearhead fast bowler, then you're in a lot of trouble, buddy. I mean,
Lendl Simmons I saw today and मेरे को 2011 का revamp, मेरे को मतलब nostalgia याद आ गया.
Shoaib Malik has been playing for 4 decades, though, right? Like, what are you saying?
Anmol, on that note, I think Hardik Pandya needs to learn from Shoaib Malik the way Shoaib Malik played today.
Pakistan might go short as a batsman, might go short as a bowler, might go short as a all-rounder. Pakistan never played a captain shot. I have seen Pakistan team who played with 7 captains in the team, in the same 11. So, experience of captains is another, Pakistan का another level का है वो.
देखो मिलके खाओ सबको बारी देते हैं, ठीक है. कैप्टनसी सबको बारी मिलती.
Their game against England, the pitch was nowhere a belter of a pitch, and every time every player is coming, is just hitting the ball out of the park. So इनमें आपस में I think there is no cohesion between these players. They have not played together, and I think that's one of the reasons.
जैसा सिद्धार्थ ने कहा था कि they have baseball mentality, so actually they thought कि they have 30 wickets to play for. I mean 3 strike equal to 1 wicket. So they can, so batsman can bat twice. The way they played that match, क्योंकि अगर 30 विकेट भी आते हैं तो भी वेस्ट इंडीज 150 के ऊपर नहीं जा रहा था.
वेस्ट इंडीज पिछले 10 साल में वनडे में अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा, टेस्ट में अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा. टेस्ट में आप उनको फॉर ग्रांटेड ले लेते हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन T20 क्रिकेट में पिछले 10 साल में वो 2 टाइटल ले आए हैं.
I think Australia will take the second spot, and this is just pure essay because they lost 5 consecutive series before coming in, and actually because of that people started underrating them, but people didn't realize that they had made changes in those series. उनकी आधी टीम गई थी.
The only team which I think is so weak that they cannot challenge for the top 2 spots in that group is Bangladesh. मेरे हिसाब से they are the only winnable match, outright winnable match for them was against Sri Lanka. वो हार गए.
Glenn Maxwell even with the ball, because you cannot forget that these are pitches where ball will also turn. You know, there will be certain balls Glenn Maxwell Cobra की तरह spin करा रहे हैं, nobody will believe.
I can definitely say England is going to. But for the other team, I will have to say Sri Lanka Bangladesh वाला match इनमें से कौन हारता है. Then that team is definitely not. That's my analysis from this.
Okay. Okay. Group B के बारे में बात करने से पहले let me officially introduce to you a fan just like me and you who is joining us all the way from Karachi. Please welcome Omar.
जी ब्रदर, क्या हाल है? ठीक ठाक हैं?
एकदम ठीक ठाक, एकदम ठीक ठाक. बहुत बहुत मुबारक. Pakistan has won the second match and they are just seem to be on a roll. Now your next match, Afghanistan versus Pakistan. अफगानिस्तान के सामने पाकिस्तान का recent record अच्छा नहीं रहा है. So given that, what are your predictions on the upcoming match between Afghanistan and Pakistan? Friday को है.
T20 क्रिकेट में अफगानिस्तान श्रीलंका और बांग्लादेश से हार्ड है एशिया में. ठीक है, मतलब दे आर इक्वल टू वेस्ट इंडीज. जिस दिन उनका दिन है उस दिन वो फिर आपके ऊपर चढ़ जाते हैं.
Chances पाकिस्तान ने दूसरी मैच भी जीती है and they seem to be very strong contenders going forward. किसी ने ये एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था पाकिस्तान से. So it is coming as a surprise package. Anand हाथ हिला रहा है already. Yes, Anand.
Mandar, I have to stop you there. I was the only person who said Pakistan will make it to the semi-finals, and I got a lot of sarcastic smiles and looks. And you know, no chance. We could go back to that episode where everyone picked their 4 teams that are going to make it, and nobody said Pakistan except me. One, they are wounded tigers after what New Zealand and England did to them. The way Ramiz Raja spoke, no head of association, say a BCCI, Cricket Australia, PCB, no head of association has spoken the way Ramiz Raja spoke. Right, so he's fired up the boys completely. I don't see them losing to Afghanistan. I don't see them losing to Namibia and Scotland. Definitely not. So they will finish most likely top of the table unless Afghanistan pull an upset. All guns blazing. That is Afghanistan. I love them. I think they are one of the most exciting teams to watch. Omar bhai, I am very happy Pakistan ने आज जीता क्योंकि फिर second spot खुल गया है, हमारे लिए खुल गया.
Thank you very much. मुझे कल रात से हिंट हो रहा है कि it's gonna be Pakistan against England semi-final.
The way Pakistan played, hats off to them. They deservedly they are at number 1 in the group, and they will qualify handsomely. I think the team which they play in semi-final, it might happen to be Australia or the other team. I guess if South Africa can sustain their winning run today, the way they have won against West Indies, South Africa can pull off.
Shaheen Afridi, this guy Rauf today, Shadab also in the first match against Pakistan, against India. You know, it looks like they have some serious bowling arsenal over there. That the fact that Pakistan has turned out so strong in the tournament has made the tournament a lot more spicy also, I feel. अभी मतलब it is not very easy to predict कि semis में कौन होने वाला है. अगर पाकिस्तान top 4 में जा रहा है, that means there is somebody that we had predicted who is not going to make it to the top 4. Now, will that be an India, Australia, South Africa, England, New Zealand, whoever it's going to be, it's going to be a surprise.
And at the same time, it's definitely, I can say without doubt, it's going to be India, the second team.
I don't want to write off any opponent. I mean, Afghanistan can beat India for that matter, right? And it's so it can happen. At the end of it, all it takes is one slip up by any of these 3 or 4 teams that are in the running from Group B, from our group, that is. So I really don't think that it's green signal now for us and things have become a lot easier. No, I mean, if I'm not wrong, there are 8 bowlers and 9 batsmen in that 11, and I think that's outstanding.
कितने बैट्समैन और बॉलर है पाकिस्तान में?
Selling on 9 batsmen and 8 bowlers.
So Anmol is saying we have 1 batsman and 1 bowler.
And we have one all-rounder who does not bat or bowl, Hardik Pandya.
The tournament is very, very wide open. We've hardly this is the 7th match that's been played.
New Zealand is in, I mean, a technically better spot right now than us because of net run rate. But
Yeah.
thank you, Pakistan, I guess. But I think the thing with New Zealand is I don't see that being as good a team as India.
Those were some very interesting point of views. और जैसे ही टूर्नामेंट आगे बढ़ेगा, वैसे वैसे मैचेस और इंटरेस्टिंग और नजदीकी होते जाएंगे. इसका सीधा इन्फ्लुएंस हमारे फैंटेसी कंपटीशन पे भी पड़ने वाला है. And on that note, let's have a look at the fantasy leaderboard.
श्रीलंका की टीम में मेरे को एक्चुअली जेन्युइनली कोई और बॉलर को मैंने देखा था, मेरे दिमाग में था, मैंने पिक कर लिया उसको, करुणारत्ने को।
मजे की बात ये है कि केवल को नाम नहीं पता है, लेकिन वो मार रहा है सिक्सेस ही वो फैंटेसी में। द ओल्ड हर्षद मेहता इज बैक इन फॉर्म, मतलब द किंग ऑफ गॉड पिक्स इज बैक।
वही सेम प्रॉब्लम है, उसको नाम नहीं पता है इसलिए अच्छा खेल रहा है। जिस दिन नाम पता लग गए ना उस दिन वापस क्लियर आटा हो जाएगा।
मंदर, I think this is not fair. केवल के स्कोर लिस्ट में जाओ, उससे पूछो ये प्लेयर did you mean to select him or were you selecting somebody else?
ये वापस कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स है, मेरे को टीम्स ही नहीं पता है सही से, ये ट्रायल एरर चल रहा है।
आप लोग अभी भी वो मोमेंटम पकड़ते हुए नजर नहीं आ रहे। व्हाट इज गोइंग, आई मीन व्हाट इज नॉट हैपनिंग राइट फॉर यू गाइस, बोथ प्रतीक एंड उदयवान।
राइट का तो कोई इशू नहीं है, लेकिन सिर्फ वो ट्रेड्स का बहुत बड़ा इशू चल रहा है। मैं क्या ट्रेड बचाते हैं, फाइनल में देखेंगे क्या होता है। ट्रेड रहेगा तो अच्छा लगता है, फीलिंग आती है अच्छी।
You start strong, win the first 3-4 games and then भगवान के ऊपर छोड़ दो। So a little gutsy moves here and there, Mandar, but I think more or less I'm sticking to my original situation.
उदय जी, I think you should listen to most of the names carefully, feed it in your brain, क्योंकि एक तुक्के लगाने इसी में से लगाने पड़ेंगे, ये सोच लेना आपको।
I was making notes, प्रोफेसर ये बोल रहे हैं।
Siddharth, I'm really impressed with the way you are playing. I also personally like the team name that you have, the bowl job.
I decide my team construct basis on the pitch. और बाकी तो I think I always try to have the performance in my team. I generally don't pick up a lot of alpha calls. If you see, I played safe that way because I think over the course of the game, eventually if you keep having your performers, eventually you can win.
मेरे कैप्टन वाइस कैप्टन चलते ही नहीं है, कभी नहीं चलते। पिछली 7 मैच देख लेना, एक भी मैच में मेरा कैप्टन वाइस, मतलब आज मैंने बाबर को कैप्टन बना दिया, बाबर नहीं चला।
I'll give you one very nice example. केवल ने एक मैच में कोई चेंजेस नहीं किया था, फिर भी उसके 182 पॉइंट्स मिल गए। मैंने 2 मैच में 4-4 ट्रेड बना के I together got 115 points. Right? So it's अभी टाइम वैसे चल रहा है तो अभी चलने दो।
मैं जो भी मैच में प्रेडिक्ट करता हूँ कि ये बैटिंग पिच होगा, वो सडनली बॉलिंग पिच हो जाता है। वो अफगानिस्तान वाला, स्कॉटलैंड वाला मैच मेरे को लगा यहाँ पे स्पिनर्स नहीं चलेंगे। पिछले 2 मैच स्कोर हुआ अच्छा खासा 150 के आसपास। उधर मुझे 5 विकेट पता नहीं क्या 10 विकेट लेके चला गया, मेरे को याद नहीं है कितने विकेट लिया। इट फेल्ट लाइक 11 विकेट, मुझे विकेट लेके जा रहा है राशिद विकेट। पता चला ये आनंद के पास सारे बॉलर्स हैं। आई वाज लाइक व्हाट डज दिस गाय डू? एंड आई कांट बिलीव यू आर रैंटिंग हियर। You had both Rashid and Mujib in your team, and you're still ranting in a captain Nabi. I had 120 points in that match. Anand, have some shame.
I had 42. I'll just say, Omar, my team name is D Company.
अगर आप भी इनकी तरह ज्यादा से ज्यादा फैंटेसी पॉइंट्स कमाना चाहते हैं और ढेर सारे प्राइजेस जीतना चाहते हैं, तो I highly recommend to listen to our Fafda Jalebi, the in-house expert who gives you fantasy recommendations for each match. Interesting matches are lined up in the next couple of days as England takes on Bangladesh and Australia takes on Sri Lanka, while Afghanistan takes on Pakistan. You can check out what our Khiladis think of the outcome of these matches by simply checking out these fan prediction videos, and you can also join the conversation by following us on Instagram. इसके साथ वक्त हो गया है आप सबको अलविदा कहने का, but when we return, we'll have the first weekly fantasy winner of सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी World Cup का award. Needless to say, he'll be facing the first googly of this season. Till we meet again, eat cricket, sleep cricket, and of course talk about cricket, because cricket is not just a game, it is the game.